I have some good news and I have some bad news. The bad news is mostly every app that we open on our Firesticks and our Fire TVs is still running in the background and it's slowing us down. The good news, I have a solution for this. You know how we open up apps on our phones and our tablets and programs on our computers, and eventually we do have to close those apps and those programs. If we don't, it's going to slow down our devices. It's the same thing with the Firesticks. So this is the app I found. It's called Background Apps and Process List. You don't have to jump through hoops to download it. It's a official Amazon app. So all we have to do is just go to the search option on the home page of our Fire devices and then just type in background. When you type in background, you should see background processes come up. So just select that. As soon as you open it and it loads up, you'll see every single app that's been running in the background for days, months, and maybe years. There is one con to this app. I really don't see it as a con myself because it speeds things up regardless. But that con is when you go to the app and you select close all apps, what this will do, it'll link you to your settings. I know you're probably thinking, I can just go to the settings myself, so why do I need an app to take me to my own settings? This app isn't only just taking you to the settings, what it's doing is taking you to the exact setting you need to force close the app. So after you force close one app, if you select the close all option, after you force close one app, you just press the back button and then repeat the step. So keep pressing force close on every single app. When we first use this app, it's a little time consuming. It may take you about 2 to 3 minutes to do this process just because you haven't did this before. But once you close all the apps, or it seems like you close all the apps, press the back button until you get back to the background app, and then press the refresh button. After you press the refresh button, it'll show you if any other apps are still running in the background. Now, if it is, go through the same process, select force close, back out, select force close, and then go back, press the back button and go back to the background app and press refresh. Repeat these steps until you clear all the apps. Now, once you clear all the apps, you don't have to worry about doing this 2 to 3 minute process ever again. So normally it won't take this long at all. So if you feel like your device is running slow, just go to the background app and force close the apps and you're done. So I recommend doing this maybe about weekly. If you do this weekly, you should see some improvements on your Fire device when it comes to speed. But that's all I have for you guys. Hope you find this helpful. Much love to each and every one of you guys. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.